All right, so we're here in Woodlawn Avenue in Chula Vista, California. Right over there is the bay and the brand new Gaylord Resort. Just a few blocks away. The H Street trolley station is right down the road. So for this one, you have one assigned parking spot and the rest would have to be street parking. Let's go ahead and zoom out on that. There we go. All right, so you walk in, we've got the living room. Peek through to the kitchen. That way you can say, hi, thanks for cooking my meals. Going upstairs to the bedrooms and the full bath. This here is just for storage. The laundry is not in unit, but it's not too difficult. I'll show you where it is. So this is a half bath for the guests. Little dining nook area. And a little kitchen here. What I would love to see is just like more counters. I guess that's where the fridge goes, right? So you do the refrigerator and then maybe some more built-ins here with like a built-in booth seating would be pretty nice. But you got your own little private space outside. Some storage area here, real close to Imperial Beach. That you could store your surfboards right there and you don't get. All right, so coming out here, here's the shared laundry room right here. So it's only 4 units, so 4 families, 4 residents sharing that space. Water is paid by the HOA. Oh. All right, so now we come back in here. Let's go upstairs and check out the bedrooms and the bathroom. So obviously, no flooring is an issue here, but you know, I would do carpet just to soften the steps and whatnot. I think carpet was what was used to be here. This bathroom was renovated not too long ago. Seems like it's in pretty decent shape. The light fixtures do need to be changed out because it looks like somebody was taking steamy showers and the light fixtures have a bit of patina on them. So this is the first small bedroom. There's 2 small bedrooms and then one that's a larger bedroom. Here's your second small bedroom. So 3 sailors could easily share this place, very easily. A couple could share this room here. If you're looking to house hack, if you're looking to buy with your friend, this would be a great place to buy because one guy can have 2 small rooms and the other guy can have the big room, and then you all share the downstairs area. Or you can rent the 3rd bedroom out to another person who's not an owner. Help y'all with the affordability of this place. All right, so thanks for joining me today. We'll see you on the next one.